A quick Supertunia update. We got my Supertunia drift with the truffle pink gomphrena, and I've been ashamed to tell you, but I burned up a lot of these. Right before our garden show, I dumped fertilizer on each plant, and you can see spots where the plant didn't make it, but they have bounced back. The ones that survived, probably 60% survived, and they look amazing. Just really poofed out. The truffle pinks are not quite there, but look at that. Look at that color. That coral sedum, lemon coral sedum, is just amazing. And this one's completely overtaking the sedum, which is all right. The salvias in the back are underwhelming. I would have done truffle pink, I think, in the middle, but these have flowers all summer. Kind of like a allium look. And you can see I blasted these three with too much fertilizer, but the other ones are doing the heavy lifting and really smothering this giant bed that I made. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that died there, 6, 7 if you count the salvias. But it's okay, I guess. We've still got them. And from a distance, that is really nice. So if I go out to the road, this is how it looks. Who's that? That's a nice first year bed, I think. My trees are doing well, that we treated for boring insects, and hopefully the garden bed's keeping a lot of moisture and the grass from soaking up all the nutrients, and they're getting what they need. And I plan to do it on down the line, probably next year. But all in all, everything's looking really well. We've got the other Bordeaux Supertunia bed over here, and a hot golden retriever. It's pretty hot out here, huh? You can come. You can come. Yeah, I know. So I never filled in these last few holes, but Bordeaux's looking really good. It's definitely a nicer color, but it's not as visibly. Ow. Boy, that's a hard one to pull. I don't know if I have the gumption to do the second one. Yeah. That's a hard one to pull with no gloves. They are just spiky, crazy spiky. But the Bordeaux is looking pretty good. And the sedum cannot be beat. There's the dead Bordeaux. Sedum. And that's just a big drift of them. We got one or two. We got two hardy hibiscus back here that are about to pop, and a limelight back there that definitely needs some weeding done. But I think this bed turned out pretty well too. So from a distance, it doesn't have that punch that the Supertunia Bubblegum has, but up close, I really like that color, and they just seem to glow at night. It's almost neon, like they've got lighting on them or something. Got a nightshade I need to pull. A lot of buckthorn over here. But that looks pretty nice. I don't know what I was thinking over here. There's nothing really to make the lemon coral sedum pop, but I don't know. It's alright. You look hot, girl. You look hot, but you want to be outside, I know. You always want to be outside, don't you? Good girl. So that's a Supertunia update, and I think we'll be doing a hydrangea tour next, so stay tuned for that. One of the big hydrangeas I want to show off is the Pinky Winky, so we'll be showing what are my favorites and what are the standouts in the garden this year. But that is awesome. And the bee balm's doing pretty well too. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And I almost forgot the front bed, but I did the same. I burned up a lot of them, and the lemon coral sedum is impervious to me, but the super bells, I only have maybe a couple that survived. But this is just crazy. That is one plant. And that is such a cool white and purple combination. Incrediballs are exhausting themselves here. They're going to their lime phase. They were white just a day or two ago, but it's so hot that they're starting to peter out, and panicles are picking up. Pinky Winky's going to be a rock star. But this bed of annuals is also pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that died. Lemon coral, can't seem to kill it. Ripley runs through it, but it keeps on trucking, man. I would love to do that every year though. That was a lot of work. So that'll do it on a Supertunia update, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. What do you think, girl? You ready to come in? You're never ready to come in. Such a good dog. Monster mosquitoes out. You don't seem to care, do you? We just want pats. Yeah.